Hello everyone, this is for the chapter 2, that is residential status. Now again with you I am Dr. Renuka Mehra, and we will be continuing with the previous audio. The topic that is going on is residential status. In the previous video I have already told you residential status of an individual. Now, in this, I would like to talk to you about the questions that can be framed for us. What type of questions will come for us? Like, they will be giving in the examination questions relating to stay in India, stay in France, stay in some other country. So, what we have to do? You need not to panic. There are just 3 simple steps. Number 1. On your notebooks, first of all, write 2019 and 2020. You have written the previous year. In that previous year, you have to see the tenure of person, individual staying from 1st April 19 to 31st March 2020. That means 366 days for that. Whatever matter, we don't have to see that is the person is coming on 15 December 2020, or if the person is coming on 5th of September 2018. No, we just have to consider 1920. Dates I have already given you, for example. Now, once we have taken for the current year, current previous relevant year, after that we will calculate. So, as everyone of you know, I have told you, February will be a leap year. So, we will be having 29 days in totality for February month. So, if my condition is 366 days, but what does condition 1 stated for checking the residential status, that he is in India for a period of 182 days or 60 days plus 365 days preceding the relevant previous year. Whichever is satisfied, he becomes the resident. So, don't get confused. Just consider or just calculate 1st April 19 to 31st March 2020. You have got the answer? Now, if the answer states that a person is becoming resident, if the person is becoming a resident, now we need to check the normality test. Now, normality test, I have already told you, is covered under section 6, subsection 6. And those normality tests are 2 out of 10 years or 730 out of 7 years living in India. In both the conditions, the word was preceding the relevant previous year. If the person is becoming non-resident, then please note everyone, the answer is finished. If the person is becoming non-resident, the answer is finished there and then only. We need not to check any type of normality test for a non-resident, because when you will be trying the questions from your book, we tend to make this blunder that the person is becoming a non-resident, but again we are seeing the normality test. So please make a note in your registers that only normality test for a residence will be checked. Now we have checked the residential test, plus we have also seen the normality test. So now when both the conditions are satisfied, the person becomes ordinary, and when only one of the condition is satisfied, he becomes not NOT, not ordinary resident on one of the conditions. So on this basis, he becomes, the answer will be written in the manner, answer is the person A, example, is resident but ordinary resident, or it can be A is resident but not ordinary resident. So this way our questions will be finishing. Then plus, what type of questions are also asked for that particular topic? They will be asking us what type of stay or how many days he is living in the current previous year. They can ask the normality test. They may give us stay in other countries, and there is no stay given in India. So we have to be very calculative. For example, I have told you that a person, he can go abroad and do the business. For again, Mr. A, businessman, having one plant in Sri Lanka, one in India, and one in South Africa. So he has to travel a lot. So when he is traveling a lot, it may be possible that only his 60 days condition are fulfilled. But in question, what will happen? They will give us that in 2019-20, his trip to Sri Lanka was so many days. His trip to South Africa was so many days. And nowhere in the question, India is managed. Now what we have to do? Please, I am again saying, don't panic. We know the totality is 366 days. So write on your register, total days in previous year is 366. Minus, we will do what? We will minus stay in Sri Lanka and stay in South Africa. And we will get the days in India. As simple as the question can be. Fine. So these types of numericals. Now the next topic will be covered, that will be related to the tax liability. Tax liability means how much tax can be imposed or how much a resident is liable to pay the tax. So what are those points? I will be discussing on the following video. For the time being, in this I have already covered each and every aspect related to residential status of an individual with proposed numericals that can be asked. So please take up your books, start solving the question. Any query relating to it, I am there for you. Thank you. Keep safe, keep distance. All the best. God bless you all. Thank you, dear students.